Very simple, quick and tasty okra curry recipe prepared with frozen okra. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. If you love okra, then this recipe is for you. It hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe here I have a one packet of whole okra which is 300 gram, and you can prepare this recipe with cut okra as well. So first thing we need to do is we need to defrost it. So here I'm just letting the okra sit in the cold water for time being until we prepare our spices. While our okra is getting defrosted, let's prepare our curry. For that here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and once the oil is hot we need to add curry leaves. Curry leaves is a key ingredient for this recipe. So here I'm adding 1 string of curry leaves, and it really adds a wonderful flavor to this recipe. Along with curry leaves, I have also added 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and we are going to cook this together for around 30 seconds or so. We are not going to cook the garlic completely, we just want the garlic flavor to be infused in the oil. So less than a minute definitely. And as you can see, our color has not changed. And now our second key ingredient is patak tikka masala. I'm a big fan of patak tikka masala because it's cooked spice, so the process of making curry is so quick, convenient, and the taste is just amazing. So we're just going to give it a good mix and adding 1 medium size of onion finely chopped. So now we are going to cook the onion with the spices for around 2 minutes so that onion is nice and soft. I have plenty of other recipes of patak tikka masala, including chicken curry, sausage curry, so please do take a look. And it's been around 2 minutes and our onion is looking good. So now we are ready to add our okra. So I've just rinsed the okra nicely with warm water and strained it, and now we are going to add the okra into the spices. I have also added some salt according to taste. So now we just need to give it a good mix and let the okra cook with the spices. So you can cover and cook it for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Stir in between occasionally. There are plenty of other frozen okra recipes available on our channel. Please do take a look. I love frozen okra, and I always keep it in my freezer because it's handy, it's so convenient, quick and easy. So please do take a look. And it's been around 6 to 7 minutes. Our okra is looking good. As you can see, the color has changed. It has nicely combined with spices, and it's almost half cooked, more than half cooked. So this is the time to add our third key ingredient, which is coconut milk. Adding coconut milk gives a really nice creamy texture to the curry. If you love Thai curry, then this recipe is a must try. Here I'm adding 2 green chili, which is completely optional. Just give it a good mix and cover and let it all come to boil. Just to mention, here I've added 400 ml can of coconut milk. So I'm just going to let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes and adjust the consistency. This curry goes really well with rice. So here I'm adding some warm water because I need some curry. Taste your salt and chili. I like a little bit spicy, so I'm adding some chili powder, which is again completely optional. Taste your curry at this point and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and your curry is nice and ready to enjoy. I hope you are going to give it a try. Serve this with warm sticky rice or just boiled rice, and it really goes well. As you can see, it looks amazing and it tastes amazing. I hope you are going to give it a try, and if you like this recipe, please do give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and do take a look at the other recipes as well.